Alrighty, so today we're going to be starting a new segmented bowl project. This one's going to be kind of a star pattern with some diamonds in it. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. So that's the general idea of what we're going to be doing today. Wrote out how many pieces of each segment I'm going to need. And we're going to be making this out of walnut. That's going to be pretty much the base of the bowl, so it'll be mostly this black walnut. The diamonds that are going to make up the star are going to be maple, and then the kind of this blue part here that's going to go around the edge of the star, that's going to be this Granadillo. Got this on clearance. So we're going to be using 1/2-inch wood again to make all our segments because I liked how that last one turned out. And it's going to be a 30 segment bowl, so we're going to go ahead and run these down and start making some rings. So that was kind of the sped up, watered down process of building and gluing this bowl up. It's all together now, everything's dried. If you'd like a more in-depth look at the process or the technique I use to build the rings, sand them down, glue them up, how to use the clamp, all that stuff, then check out the 4-part segmented bowl tutorial series I have. I will put the link to the playlist in the description below. That explains it and has some pretty good stuff in it. But it's all glued up now, so we'll go ahead and chuck it up on the lathe and see how it comes out. so here it is all done. 12 rings, which is 360 segments, I believe. I am in love with the pattern. I love how the diamonds kind of turn into a star, and then the Granadillo kind of outlines it on the outside there, and I'm really happy with how it shows up. It's you can see it against the black walnut, but it's not too contrasting. It's pretty subtle. Did the bottom, trying not to, it's still a little wet here, sorry. Cleaned that up so it's got a nice little shape to it. And yeah, that's it. Put a couple more coats of the bowl finish on and we'll call it good. Overall, we're really happy with this one too. So thanks for watching, and again, if you want to see a more in-depth look at how I make the segments, make the rings, clamp them all together, the link for the 4-part segmented bowl tutorial is in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching.